What's going on, guys? Pimple-faced Honda Kid here, and as you can see, my car is really low, but the springs are pretty soft. So what ends up happening when I'm on the freeway and stuff, I just bottom out, slam the whole bottom of the car into the ground. I wish I had a video to show you guys, but I don't, so you just have to take my word for it. Yeah, this car is way too soft and it sucks, and I really want to get that super hot boy fitment. Nice fitment, and the only way to do that is to upgrade the springs, because this thing is just like over every single bump. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be upgrading the springs with these super hot boy Swift springs, because I'm just such a hot boy like that, and this is what the cool kids are doing, so I thought I could be cool too, maybe. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first step is going to be jack the car up. Oh. Alright, now you gotta take this stupid wheel off the car. Now is probably a good time to make sure that you got the actual right springs. It looks like I did. I use my handy dandy thingy here. Alright, holy shit, guys. So I took this thing out, got that side out. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. I've already replaced the other side. So stupid and idiotic the way that these function and form. You might as well just so I had to unscrew this entire thing. I don't know what they make these ball joint things out of. Alright, so it's a pretty easy, simple thing. You just stick the thingy on the top. That comes off. Pull the top hat. Pull everything off. Of course it falls apart. Go ahead and stick your bump stop back on there. All you have to do is take the new spring, stick it on here, but there's a slight problem. Jesus. These are stuck together like. Let's give it a good wallop. Oh, go, get off. I gotta bust out the big boy here. Holy, time to give it a. Oh, there we go. All right, then you're just gonna spin the perches down. It's gonna take a while. All right, next thing you've got to do, if this camera will ever focus, you gotta take out all the from the old coil. Set the old coil in the garbage where it belongs. All right, and then you stick it on the new coil. Just like so, just as you pulled it off, because you don't want to mess anything up. Focus, you piece of garbage. You want it to look exactly like the old one. Then just go right ahead and tighten that bad boy on. Alright, so once you have this new spring on, I don't know how to film this because it's just hard to show. Now you can basically set your preload, which is this thing that every stupid person I buy a car from decides, oh, just to adjust the height, and all they do is move the stupid ass preload collars. No, you dumb shit. You're not supposed to do these. You're supposed to do the actual height adjustment, which actually moves the entire. Alright, and now I've basically tightened these two against each other to lock my preload in. And some of you have probably already noticed by now, these coils, the springs are a little bit too wide, but I don't really care. If I die, I die. Go ahead, tighten the body of it, make sure your measurement is still good. Chris Fix here. Don't forget to use medium strength thread locker. Heck yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, that's basically it. This is all it takes. Super easy, super simple, did not struggle at all. Completely just the easiest thing I've ever done in my entire life. And I would recommend this to a baby, a toddler. If you are 3 years old, you can complete this job, no problems, because it's just so easy. And it won't take any time at all, and you won't even get your hands dirty. So it's just no brainer if you ask me. Hopefully I don't die with these coils. I'm not gonna show you guys how to put it back in because that's stupid, because I already took it out and I showed exactly how to do it step by step. 100% detail. I didn't just skip over it at all. I'm also not gonna show the back because unless you have function and form type 1 coilovers that are made out of literal stupidity and have the dumbest adjustment for height, which is located inside the actual, it's so stupid, I don't even want to talk about it, I'm just losing my mind talking about it. If you don't have those, it's the same exact thing for the back. So you just pop these bad boys back in, scrape all over the freeway, and don't blame me if you crash your car because your springs are now so stiff that you can't even keep control of your car anymore. Yeah, I guess I'll just show you guys how it looks now. Alright guys, it's now a couple days later. This is how the car is sitting. I finished up the springs, just wanted to show you guys. I've also realized that I sort of ordered the wrong ones, as you saw. So I'm gonna be doing the whole thing again with these Swift. Still 12Ks, but these are a little bit smaller inside diameter. So yeah, time to do the whole thing again. But that is how you replace your springs on your coils. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful in any way, go ahead, drop a like down below, subscribe for more stuff like this, including me probably putting these back on, switching out all the springs again. Anyways, yeah, subscribe for stuff like that. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out. I forgot what my outro was. Peace out.